All right, welcome to the Mars Relay Network. Everyone, after doing our camp and checking out Mars, here's a website that you can go down and check out. We did this together in class, and you can check it out more because we didn't have too much time. Here, you can see in front of you, we got Mars. Now, you can use your mouse wheel and wheel in and out right here and zoom in and out. Let's zoom out a little bit and take a look at Mars from far away. Look at that. Here we can see Phobos and we can see Deimos, the two moons flying around there. And we can click and hold and go around the planet, the dark side of the planet. Here we have the different orbits of our different orbiters going around, from the mechs on the way out on the outside. And then as we zoom in, we can see MAVEN, MVN. You can see TGO and ODY, as well as M2O and MR, the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, and Mars 2020, which we also know as Perseverance. So let's take it out and make sure we all remember how to do this. When you see a orbiter that you want to check out, let's see ODY. Click on it one time. When we click on it one time like this, we're going to see it gives you all the information about it. Mars Odyssey, we can see it gives you a little description about it, when it was launched, when it arrived, what its status is, and the different science instruments that are on board. Now, you can also go through and take a closer look. Let's go back to ODY or Odyssey and double click on it. When we do that, it's going to bring us in right close to the actual satellite flying around. Now, same thing with your controller. You can zoom out, you can zoom in, you can click and drag and turn around and see it from different angles. And you can even see that with the moons in behind. Oh, look, there's Earth and Venus way in the background, and Mercury. Or bring it back with what looks like the North Pole right now. When you want to get back and look at your next one, go to the Mars button at the bottom, press Mars, and that'll bring you back to the outside. Sometimes you can get kind of lost, so that's a good button to know how to use. Go in there and check it out. Now, there is one thing. Let's take a look at M20. Mars 2020, Perseverance, Percy. You can find out the information here, but when I double click on it like this, it doesn't go in to take a close look. So this one works a little bit differently than the orbiters. Now, once again, I am out in space. I don't know where to go. So how do I get back? Press the Mars button. There we go, boys and girls. Have fun checking out all the different orbiters and landers put up by NASA on Mars.